run and feed yourself. Do you want a herb? Do you want an apple? And do you want a date? All were the same. You have to decide what you're going to put on this side for gravity, for inertia, and everything else. But the beauty of it is that the plant creates a condition of cover. So everything is conditioned to a zinc and to a metal conditioned liquid, which allows amino acid strength fields to come in, to create amino strength of your body that it can feed you. Or you can do it yourself. Directly in doing this job, you can create a condition that you absorb energy from the plants, an agreement of the plants, not on your own. In a way, you make a connection with your soul, which you never had, with the soul of the plant, and the soul.
I'm losing the voice again, Mr. Keshe.
Okay. Okay.
Just on the last sentence.
We switch back. Yes, I'm listening to it. I've taken a headphone that I can see where you're going missing. I know you didn't miss much.
No.
So, because I stopped talking, I've got a headphone, I can hear what comes through. And in this process, you start understanding how you can take with your soul from interaction with the soul of the plant, what the plant needs, it takes from you, what you need, you take from the plant. You don't need to kill the plant. You don't need to destroy the plant. This is how it's done. And once you get educated, once you develop the understanding of, you put yourself within the reach of that you can take the amino strength from the environment and in that process, if you put yourself in this environment, you don't need to touch the plant. You take from the fields that are in position of it and passing through to it. In a way, if you make, as I said, a copy of the plant's structure and put it in the middle of the room, as the food is going, as the energies, as the proteins are going to it, you're an intermediary, you pick up what you need. You don't need to kill it, you can let it live. So in fact, if you look at it, you need a combination that can give you anything you need.